There is a problem of misconception about frugal living. Frugal living is not living a poverty-stricken life. It is a savvy finance trick. In this video, we will correct some misconceptions about frugal living using notable wealthy people as examples and explain to you in particular how you can apply it to your unique lifestyle. Therefore, watch this video patiently till the end, because by the end you will not only learn from these famous wealthy individuals, but will relate them to your wealth journey and embrace the lessons. 1. Warren Buffett. He is known for his frugal lifestyle and still lives in a modest home he purchased in the 1950s. 2. Mark Zuckerberg. Despite being one of the richest people in the world, he is often seen wearing the same gray t-shirt and jeans to work. 3. Ingvar Kamprad. The founder of IKEA was known for his frugal lifestyle, often taking the bus instead of a private car and flying economy class. 4. Carlos Slim Helú. The Mexican business magnate believes in frugality and often emphasizes the importance of saving money. 5. Azim Premji. The Indian billionaire and philanthropist is known for his simple lifestyle and often travels in economy class. I will explain more on how these notable wealthy individuals live a frugal lifestyle as this video goes on. There is a big difference between being poor and living a frugal lifestyle. While being poor is a financial state of lacking sufficient money or material possessions, living a frugal lifestyle is a conscious choice to live below your means, save money, and avoid unnecessary expenses. People who live a frugal lifestyle may have enough money and resources but choose to spend it on things that are important to them, rather than on frivolous or unnecessary expenses. In today's world, it can seem like wealth is often misrepresented by frivolous spending and flaunting luxurious cars, clothes, and other material possessions. However, it's important to remember that true wealth is not defined by how much money or how many possessions one has, but rather by a sense of financial security, peace of mind, and the ability to live a fulfilling life. Living a frugal lifestyle can actually help people achieve these goals by reducing financial stress, increasing savings, and allowing them to focus on what truly matters in life. So it's important to remember that living a frugal lifestyle can be a smart and effective way to build wealth and live a happy, fulfilling life. Frugal living as a savvy financial trick? Yes, here is the link. Savvy finance refers to the ability to make smart and informed decisions when it comes to managing your personal or business finances. Frugal living is definitely a savvy financial trick that can help you save money and achieve your financial goals. It involves adopting a lifestyle that is focused on finding ways to spend less money and live within your means. This can include things like creating a budget and tracking your expenses, reducing your discretionary spending, finding ways to save money on things like groceries and utilities, and avoiding unnecessary debt. By being frugal, you can free up more money to invest in your future, pay off debt, or simply enjoy life without financial stress. Plus, it can help you develop good financial habits that will benefit you for years to come. Now let's take our notable and famous wealthy individuals mentioned above. 1. Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest people in the world, is known for his frugal lifestyle despite his immense wealth. He has famously lived in the same house in Omaha, Nebraska for over 60 years, which he purchased for $31,500 in 1958. The house is modest by billionaire standards and is located in a middle-class neighborhood. Buffett is also known for his simple tastes, including his love of fast food like McDonald's and Dairy Queen. He has said that he enjoys eating hamburgers and drinking cherry Coke, and has even been known to stop by a McDonald's drive-thru for breakfast on his way to work. In addition to his personal life, Buffett is also known for his frugal approach to running his company, Berkshire Hathaway. He has famously refused to spend money on things like fancy offices or expensive corporate jets, preferring instead to invest the company's money in profitable businesses. Overall, Buffett's frugal lifestyle has allowed him to accumulate immense wealth while maintaining a down-to-earth approach to life. He has shown that it's possible to be successful without succumbing to the trappings of wealth and status, and has inspired many people to live a simpler, more fulfilling life. Before we continue, subscribe to the channel for valuable tips to boost your financial freedom. Moving on. 2. Mark Zuckerberg. Mark Zuckerberg, the co-founder and CEO of Facebook, is known for his frugal lifestyle despite his immense wealth. He famously wore the same gray t-shirt every day for several years, saying that it simplified his life and freed up mental energy that he could use for more important decisions. Zuckerberg also drives a relatively modest car and lives in a modest home, especially considering his net worth. In 2016, he purchased a 5,000 square foot house in Palo Alto, California for $7 million, which may seem like a lot, but is relatively modest compared to the homes of other billionaires. In addition to his personal life, Zuckerberg has also been frugal in his approach to running Facebook. In the early days of the company, he famously built a hacker house where he and other early employees could live and work together, minimizing expenses and maximizing productivity. Overall, Zuckerberg's frugal lifestyle has allowed him to stay focused on his goals and not get distracted by the trappings of wealth and success. He has shown that it's possible to live a simple, fulfilling life even while running a massive technology company, and has inspired many people to adopt a more minimalist approach to life and work. 3. Ingvar Kamprad. Ingvar Kamprad, the founder of IKEA, was known for his frugal lifestyle and his commitment to keeping costs low for his customers. He famously drove an old Volvo and flew economy class, even when traveling on business. He also preferred to stay in budget hotels rather than luxury accommodations. Kamprad also had a reputation for being thrifty in his personal life. He was known to reuse tea bags and buy his clothes at flea markets. He also lived in a modest home in Switzerland, despite his immense wealth. In addition to his personal life, Kamprad's commitment to frugality was also reflected in his business practices. He was known for his focus on keeping costs low and passing those savings on to customers. For example, IKEA furniture is designed to be flat-packed, which reduces shipping costs and makes it easier for customers to transport and assemble the furniture themselves. Overall, Kamprad's frugal lifestyle and commitment to keeping costs low has helped to shape IKEA into one of the world's largest and most successful furniture retailers. His dedication to simplicity and affordability has made it possible for people around the world to enjoy stylish and functional furniture at an affordable price. 4. Carlos Slim Helú. Carlos Slim Helú, one of the richest people in the world, is known for his frugal lifestyle. Despite his immense wealth, he is known for being down-to-earth and living a modest life. Slim still lives in the same 6-bedroom house he has owned for over 40 years in Mexico City. He reportedly still drives himself to work and prefers to travel economy class rather than in private jets. Slim is also known for his focus on philanthropy and giving back to the community. He has donated billions of dollars to various charitable causes, including education, healthcare, and the arts. In addition to his personal life, Slim's frugal approach to business has also contributed to his success. He has a reputation for being a shrewd investor and for focusing on long-term growth rather than short-term profits. He has also been known to invest in companies that are struggling, believing that he can turn them around and make them profitable. Overall, Slim's frugal lifestyle and focus on philanthropy has helped him to build a successful business empire while also giving back to the community. He has shown that it's possible to be successful without succumbing to the trappings of wealth and status, and has inspired many people to live a simpler, more fulfilling life. 5. Azim Premji. Azim Premji, the founder of Wipro Limited, is known for his frugal lifestyle despite his immense wealth. He is known for being a down-to-earth person who lives simply and focuses on giving back to the community. Premji still lives in the same house he has owned for over 30 years in Bangalore, India. The house is reportedly modest by billionaire standards, with no swimming pool or tennis court. He also drives a Toyota Corolla, a relatively low-cost car compared to other luxury cars that billionaires often drive. In addition to his personal life, Premji's focus on frugality is also reflected in his business practices. Wipro Limited, the company he founded, is known for its focus on efficiency and cost-cutting. The company has implemented several measures to reduce costs, including implementing energy-efficient practices and reducing waste. Premji is also known for his philanthropy and his commitment to giving back to the community. He has donated billions of dollars to various charitable causes, including education and healthcare, and has pledged to donate 67% of his wealth to charity. Overall, Premji's frugal lifestyle and focus on giving back has helped him to build a successful business empire, while also contributing to the betterment of society. He has shown that it's possible to be successful without succumbing to the trappings of wealth and status, and has inspired many people to live a simpler, more fulfilling life. Tips you can practically apply? Here are 7 practical frugal lifestyle tips that can help you save money and live within your means. 1. Create a budget. Start by creating a budget that outlines your income and expenses. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and find ways to save money. 2. Cook at home. Eating out can be expensive, so try to cook at home as much as possible. You can save money by buying groceries in bulk and meal planning for the week. 3. Reduce energy usage. Small changes like turning off lights when you leave a room or unplugging electronics when they're not in use can add up to significant savings on your energy bills. 4. Use public transportation. If you live in an area with good public transportation, consider using it instead of driving. This can save you money on gas, maintenance, and parking. 5. Shop secondhand. Thrift stores and online marketplaces can be great places to find gently used items like clothing, furniture, and electronics at a fraction of their original cost. 6. Grow your own food. If you have the space, consider growing your own fruits and vegetables. This can save you money on groceries and provide you with fresh, healthy produce. 7. Avoid unnecessary expenses. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it's something you really need or if it's just a want. Avoid impulse buying and focus on purchasing only what you need to live a happy and fulfilling life. The impact of frugal lifestyle in the society? Yes, embracing frugal habits can have a positive impact on society as a whole. By living within our means and avoiding unnecessary spending, we can free up resources that can be used to help others in need. Additionally, frugality encourages us to focus on the things that truly make us happy, rather than relying on material possessions to provide us with happiness. This can lead to a more authentic and fulfilling life, as well as a reduction in the pressure to keep up with others in terms of material possessions or status symbols. Ultimately, frugality can help to promote a more sustainable and equitable society, where resources are used wisely and people are able to find joy and meaning in simple pleasures. It's always important to seek professional advice before making investment decisions, as investing can be complex and risky. While educational resources like this videos can be helpful for gaining a general understanding of investing, they should not be relied upon as a substitute for professional advice. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. See you in our next video shown on your screen.